Taco. Dap. 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 Yo! Dap.
What happened?
It's already part 6.
Oh no! Look! I don't need that!
Okay, wow, we're full. Okay, you want more tacos? Sweaty roll ba? Again. Good. Does it mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I want more tacos.
Okay. There you here's more tacos. More tacos for you. How many?
10 tacos.
Pumasok ka, naiya ka kay Ate Emily.
No, tayo lang ako mag-play ng
O sige, magpan muna tayo. Sleep muna. Sige, udi muna.
Wow!
Hanggang mag-ting.
Here's your 10 tacos!
Yay! Okay lang pag nag-ting na.
Yay! Give me the ball! Chop, chop! Give me all of that! O sige, anong oras?
Anong oras na?
4:14. Bro, I'm going to eat also this one! Don't steal your dad's son. Okay, tomorrow the sister will be discharged. This is the brother hates the sister part 6. Okay, want some drinks, guys? I don't know. Here's your drink, babe.
Matagal na ba naglalaro tayo? Nagalan mo.
Okay.
Here's your drink, babes. Here's your Coke. What do you want? Okay, here's your melon juice. Big.
Wow!
My Coke. Dug.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
Okay. After we upload this World War II, I'm already done drinking. Bog.
Slurp, slurp.
It went to his eyes.
Ow! Why? My eyes! Wait.
Oh, sorry, son. I'm gonna drink my Coke.
Ito ang dinig ngayon.
Oh no, my Coke is slurping. Okay, I'm done drinking my Coke.
I'm done.
Okay, tomorrow we will visit your sister. Say sorry tomorrow, Ryland, okay? Okay. Okay. This is the Sticky Apologize to part 5 in the hospital. Pero diet. Okay, crack it up, son. Go say sorry to your sister again tomorrow. Okay. Okay, time to go to bed. Once they go to bed, but someone came into their house. A scary creature called the
Neidador!
Come right here. This is your karma for kissing your sister. Then Then he got it a nightmare. Then he got it a nightmare inside of his head. I'm going to open the door. Oh no, it's locked. I better call backup. Once they call their backup, 5 more are coming. Okay, type to open. They opened the door. Wow! They destroyed the door. Finally, this is the chance. He's going to go to Brylon, to the brother, to the big brother that is the sister. Are you seriously coming here? He he heard crackling noise at night. Crank, crank. Dung, 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 dung. Oh, he's immortal. Okay, he's immortal. That one. I'm going to kill ya. And the two monster came into his room door. But they are immortal. All of them. They cannot be killed. It's the curse. Wait. He got Diba they got karma? He leave the house. Then the house got robbed. They have a light shining onto their mouth. They're they're looking for slaves who did their. He's looking. They're look. Wait. They're looking for prey that who hates their sister. Wait. They're looking for prey. Open up.
Meow.
How did he open the door? He's touched it with their teeth.
Meron, meron na baby si Tom too.
Saan?
Come here. Doon. Doon yun, oo.
Saan?
Ayun yan, baby.
Pabiyad.
Yan, nasa belly niya. Come here.
Wala siyang baby boy.
Ayun.
Lalaki siya, hindi yan nagkakabuntis. I'm coming for you. Hey, he was trying to kill Brylon. Pero na-burn siya. Ah!
You accidentally went to the...
Candle.
Yes.
Ano sabi niya? Na-hear niya crackling noise. Mag-action mo si brother. Stop animation.
How? What's that?
he saw it trying to hunt him all over his slave.
Oh no, wait, I have a gun in the closet.
Tapos he's trying to stop you. Hey, welcome to your worst nightmare, boy. I know that. I know everything. You hurt your sister. Now it's time to kill you next because you're my prey.
And then, yeah!
Ah,
Critical hit. Pretend nakuha niya yung gun. So, nakuha niya yung gun niya.
do you think that will stop me? Do you think that will stop me, huh? I have backups.
And then, ooh. Oh no, wait. I forgot about something very cool. He got something under his bed.
What?
Recently he got one thing. He got one thing.
What?
Double multiple.
Molotov.
Yes. I hope you burn in the fire.
Wait, just wait. That stop me because I'm immortal and I'm unkillable. I'm unkillable. Time to kill you next.
Written Hocho. Written he throws it.
Oh no! Oh
But
no!
then I remember the lightsaber that I got it from the mall, from World War, from thing.
But
How do I get out?
he almost burned dead.
And he grabbed out his lightsaber.
He almost burned the house because of the bombs. But the Nidator are summoning their prey. They're summoning
Written the entire house is
their backup. Wait lang. So, he said, back up! You can't kill me with that. Ah! They're summoning. They're summoning some more. Primitive treatment!